Hello everyone, and today I'm showing you how to build this really small 3x3 trapdoor. Let's get into the tutorial. So first, you need a block of redstone, 16 blocks, 3 trapdoors, a furnace, a redstone lamp, 19 observers, a lever, 12 sticky pistons, and 4 pistons. So I want to start with your 3x3 trapdoor piston layout. Place a redstone lamp here, lever, and then 2 observers facing outwards. Now you want to place a piston here, block, observer, block, observer, observer. You want to place another observer here, and over on this side you want to place a sticky piston, observer, and a piston 1 block away from this observer. Now you want to place a redstone block here, a sticky piston, another observer, and then from here you want to place observer, sticky piston, another observer, trapdoor, observer, 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 trapdoor, and then another observer like that. Over here you want to place 2 observers, a block, a trapdoor, observer pointing out of that, a regular piston, an observer facing into this piston here, and then an observer facing this way, the block. Now you want to place a furnace here, and as you can see, this is your 3x3 trapdoor finished. Bye bye.